Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Dishrack Tether Adjuster Strap on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The Tether Adjuster Strap is part of the adjuster assembly, which supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If the adjuster strap breaks or is damaged, the upper dish rack may not be adequately supported and may not raise or lower properly. If you need a new Dishrack Tether Adjuster Strap for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Note that the steps in this video apply to both the left and right Tether Adjuster Strap. Start by opening the dishwasher's door and pulling the upper rack forward. The Tether Adjuster Strap is located here on the adjuster assembly. To remove, press on the top of the adjuster strap to release the retainer from the rack. Then, slide it down so that the opening aligns with the locking tab and pull it forward to remove. If you need to purchase a new Tether Adjuster Strap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the hole on the Dishrack Tether Adjuster Strap to the tab on the adjuster assembly, press to insert, and slide the clip up. Then, align the retainer on the clip to the rack and press until it snaps into place. Finally, slide the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.